Hello, my name is Markus Beckmann. I'm the plant manager here from the Bioceval in Cuxhaven. We are a big fish meal factory. It's the biggest fish meal factory in Germany. We have a raw material incoming of nearly 120,000 tons in different sorts of raw material like herring, cod, redfish and salmon and so on. And we make 1.5 years ago a big invest in raw material silos like this, what you can see here. 5 silos with each capacity of 180 tons per each silo. So, and we are looking for a good producer of a cleaning system, and we come to Washpower. So make some tests with Washpower in the past. And we're very surprised about the effect of this system, and so we installed this cleaning system in these silos, and the effect is very good. The silos are very clean after the cleaning without any ingredients like soda or acid. So only with high pressure cold water, and that is important for us so that we have no contamination with the acid with our product, or with the cleaning ingredients with our product. So, and Washpower was the perfect system for us, and here we installed the first 5 systems, and the next phase 2 we installed the next 6 silos. It's normally in the moment in installation, and the final installation of the Washpower system is finished at the end of this week, and then we can start with the next phase and clean up the next 6 silos. And yeah, we are glad with this system.